welcome back to my channel. I'm Deni. If you're new, welcome. If you're old, welcome back. Today I have my Daily Goodies box. I'm going to be unboxing this and showing you what came to me this month. So this box is a free box. Anyone can join Daily Goodie Box to get their own box. This one was sent to me to sample, and we're gonna go ahead and see what's in here. I don't think I know, but as always, the inside of the box looks like this. It has a card and some tissue paper, and the card usually just thanks you, or yeah, and tells you that you have free samples and they're full size. So the first thing that I am seeing in here is some popcorn. This is a Oogie's Snacks Gourmet popcorn. This is movie time butter. I love popcorn. This bag is pretty cool. I've never tried this brand, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this right now and give it a little nibble and see if I like it. Smells good. So they look like normal popcorn. Oh, this is so good. Wait. So there's 43 calories in a cup, and this has like a taste of like butter but cheddar at the same time. Oh, I like this. I like this a lot. I want Carlos to try this. Yeah, I like it. Where can I get more of these? I need to find out. Next thing that I have in here looks like it's a meal shake. It's in banana cream. It says you've got appeal, and this is an organic protein shake by Svelte. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. Cal Natural. This is a protein drink, so I have to refrigerate this. And this has inside of it 11 grams of protein. It has 6 grams of sugar, which is kind of high. Well, the carbohydrates is 21. I don't know. I find that there's other protein shakes that have a little bit more higher content of protein, but I haven't tried this out. Banana is not my favorite flavor at all. I can't stand banana. So this is something that I'm going to go ahead and give to Carlos so that he can try. I know I won't try this one just because I just don't like bananas. So the next thing that I'm seeing in here is a pack of gum from Glee gum, and is a sugar-free wintergreen gum with 16 pieces. I've never seen this gum before either. I am not typically a gum chewer, but Carlos is, so this is probably something that I'm going to leave for him to go ahead and enjoy and chew. And I'm sure it's going to taste like winter mint, but this is a nice size. What else do we have in here? Oh, we have some hot sauce. What? So in here we have this pack, and it comes with 4 little packets here of Sriracha. It says the best hot sauce on earth by Fix, I guess, or Get Your Fix. I don't know if the brand is called Get Your Fix or if it's just like saying Get Your Fix of Sriracha. This is cool. It's actually 5 packets in here, and they have like their little scan code to get like a promo from them. This is definitely something cool. I like the package form. I can take this with me to my barbecue tomorrow, and we can spice up a few things. I have here some natural, organic, effective Curoxen first aid ointment. So this is the first aid ointment, and I don't have any cuts at the moment that need some first aid. So I'm going to go ahead and keep this for my first aid kit for when I do need it. It looks like there is something else in here. This is, oh, I think I've seen these before. We got something like this the last time, right? The digestive support we got the last time. This is the party detox. So what is this? It says it's a instant dissolving herbal supplement. Party detox is for when you've had one of those party days that you want to detox your immune system and step it back into normal. You would use this. I guess I will be trying this some other time. I haven't been partying to actually try something that, like, to me it sounds like it's something like a hangover remedy, but I don't think that's what it actually is. It's just supposed to help cleanse your body. Then we have here from Bakery on Main. It's a double chocolate bar of some sort. It has 4 grams of protein, 4 grams of fiber, and 8 grams of sugar. And it just looks like it's supposed to be a, I don't think this is a protein bar. I never know anything. But in any case, let's give it a try. Let's taste this. Let's see what it's about. I like tasting things, so I hope you like me tasting things too. This guy looks like a granola bar, and that's not half bad. It tastes good. It tastes like a granola bar with chocolate inside of it. I don't know about the double chocolate, but it does taste good. Yeah, I could totally see myself eating something like this. It didn't taste bad. And usually granola bars can be good or bad. This one is good. I like it. This next thing right here is the Tiger Balm. Oh, pardon me, I keep on eating over here. So we got this Tiger Balm pain relief patch, which is so good. It's for like sore muscles and aches. I'm familiar with Tiger Balm because I've used it before, but not in a packet like this. I got 2 of those. Definitely interested in that. This is for temporary relief of pain. It's so it says it's convenient and not messy, works when it hurts, and it lasts long, which I know that Tiger Balm actually does that. I like this. I like that I got 2 of them to actually test that out. That is awesome. And then the last thing are some things that are clipped together. They always clip things. I like the details that they do. They clip. And so Bakery on Main, that was the granola bar. I got a coupon for $1 off of that. I also have here a coupon for the Glee gum, and it says buy 2 get 1 free. And then for the for that Curoxen, they gave me a $3 off for one of the tubes, and it looks like they have 3 different kinds and they're sold in all different places. So the closest one to me would be CVS, which is pretty convenient, but they have them at a lot of other stores. So that is awesome. 3 coupons, and I think this is pretty cool. I really like what was sent to me. It was a variety of things to test and try out. I am loving this popcorn, and I am gonna finish it because it tastes really, really good. I like that bar. The gum is pretty cool. Some Sriracha I've never heard of before, which is awesome to try new things that you haven't tried out ever. The Tiger Balm and these other things are so good to put inside of, you know, your first aid kit so that you can have things when you need it. I don't think that Tiger Balm is first aid, but it is something that's going to go into my medicine cabinet because, you know, I need to be able to take care of myself. So that was everything that came inside my daily goodie box. I was really happy with everything that came, and I'm excited to see what Carlos thinks about some of these things because, like I said, this he will try, and I guess I'll know his thoughts on this soon. And if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Become a member of my Gonz fam, and as always, from my house to yours, love ya.